Cutting waters, every day.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. This is so weird because I literally broke my camera and I'm using my phone, so hopefully the quality is still good. I have content to put out, so I have to make it happen. Doing some maybe like a medium large island twist with some curly boho hair. This is the company I'll be working with today. I do not know how to pronounce it. Eayonhair, maybe. But they sent me over 3 bundles, I think about 20 inches. It's gonna be a natural curling. So these are the curls. Very natural curls. This is literally how my curls look, actually. This is the hair, so you guys can see. So it's a few things you're gonna need. I have my hair rack. I'm gonna link that down below. I have my 3-way mirror so I can see the back of my head so I can part. A full length mirror as well. Yeah, the hair, of course. So, and combs and clips. Y'all know that. I'm gonna have like tendrils sticking down. Yeah, y'all gonna see. So last time I did my hair, I used shea butter. I didn't use any gel. And I still don't really like using gel on my hair, but I'm just gonna use something light like this Shine and Jam. I think this is the olive oil one. So we're gonna start off doing our island twist with a flat knotless braid. So you're just gonna, apply your gel, of course, and then go ahead and part it into 3 pieces. You're gonna do like a few strokes and make sure you have a tight grip on your hair. You wanna make sure your fingers stay close to that braid you started, because if not, the grip will just be lost. You're gonna add the pieces to the middle and to the right side. Then you're gonna do it again. Add it in between that pointer and middle finger to the middle and to the side. Then you're just going to keep braiding as normal. And you're going to do a few strokes down after this. Then once you did like 4 or 5 strokes, you're going to start to twist. So once you've gotten all your strokes in for the braid, you're going to literally take 2 pieces together. And you're just going to combine them. Instead of it being 3, now it's 2. And you're going to just start to twist. So here's where we're going to add our hair. We're just going to take a piece of that bulk hair. It's already cut like at the root, so it's not in like a bundle. It is in a bundle, but without the weft. So you're going to add the piece of hair to both sides of the twist. And you're going to twist it down maybe like 4 or 5 times. And make sure you twist it down really tight. After that, you're going to take the longer piece on one side and you're going to keep twisting that shorter piece down. So for reference, I'm 5'6", so these are pretty long on me. They went past my butt, but these are how the twists are looking with the curly hair in it. I love the natural look of this. It's different than when you get deep wave or like a loose wave, and I wanted to get something more of like a tighter curl so it could look like, natural curls. I did 2 rows below my ear, and then I have 1 row right there. I'm gonna have a second, a third, and a 4th. So above my ear it's gonna be about 4 rows, and below my ear there's only 2 rows. You guys will see what I mean when I talk about rows. But yeah, I'm over here starting on my 2nd row above my ear, and that row is gonna go obviously all the way around to the other side of the left side of my face. So this is starting off my second row. And of course I'm using my 3-way mirror so I can see my parts in the back. Make sure you get yours so you can start doing your own parts. So if we're gonna be putting like the curls in the front to really like be in front of my face, the curls to be on the front braids, like the braids that are like here. So I did one on this side, and you want to add immediately so that it starts like at the root of the braid. But I'm going to show y'all how I add it in. And I am also using shea butter. I was using a little Shine Jam, a little bit, just a little bit, but I am switching over to shea butter right now, and I'm just doing a dab like of Shine Jam, just a little bit. So get my pieces ready. Front, you probably want your pieces to be like small, like something like this, just so that it can gradually go into like a bigger twist. So first thing you're gonna want to do, split into 3 pieces like this. Then you're gonna want to grab and start braiding and pull tight so everything's nice and neat. Then you want to grab like the smallest piece, put it in, then another piece, put it in, and then maybe like one more piece. And then we want to start adding that curly hair like really fast. So we're gonna insert it to like one of the strands. Like the end of it, just insert it to like one of the strands. So I'm putting it in the middle. And I'm gonna just keep on braiding like normal. And I'm gonna separate from my twist. So I'm putting these 2 together and I'm gonna start twisting. And I'm mostly using Shine Jam to like twist, and the shea butter mostly for my roots, just because I don't like a lot of product on my scalp. And I'm twisting and twisting together, twisting and twisting together. Like, I'm doing it fast, but that's what's happening in the process of me twisting. Now when I want to insert some more hair for length, I'm literally just gonna open this up, push this in, twist, and keep twisting. That's it. That is it. So I'm finally finished. And yes, my human hair, my boho pieces are human hair, so I have to take care of them as if they're human hair. So I'm using curly mousse. You can use like regular braiding mousse. There's different types of mousses, but I like to use, if I'm gonna have like some type of boho curly human stuff in my braids or hairstyles, you have to use like curly stuff that you would use for like a curly wig, and that's how you would take care of it. Just because if you go to sleep, right, let's say you go to sleep in a curly wig, every night you go to sleep on that curly wig and you don't brush it, comb it, tame it, nothing, it's not gonna last long because you're not taking care of it. So I'm gonna be wetting my hair as I normally would if I were to have a curly wig. I'm gonna use leave-in conditioner, mousse, and different things like that to maintain my curly pieces. So let's say you want to add in a curly piece. Just gonna take I want it higher. I'll put it in the braid up here, my crochet needle. And I'm gonna take my piece, pull it through. Then I'm gonna braid. So I'm gonna create a small, tiny little braid. And then a knot. Pull it through the hole. And then one more time. So y'all, I've had my hair in for about 3 or 4 days. So I'm gonna show you guys how I refresh my curls. Just like a few products, really just curly hair products. So I can take care of the human hair that I have. from Eayonhair, and I'm gonna link them down below so you can buy your bulk hair from them whenever you do add some boho into your braids or twists. Just because they have a lot of different curl patterns, and a lot of people are always asking where to get the boho stuff for the braids and twists. This is where, baby. So when I'm refreshing these curls, I only use 2 products. Only thing I'm gonna be using is this spray that I got from Amazon. It's mostly for people with locks, but it is very hydrating, so I love it. Curl days, anything curl hair related, this is the product to purchase. Curl days, I love them. If you have curly hair, braid outs, wash and goes, anything like that, this will spring your curls into action. And I had heat damage on my hair, so it really like helps. So I've already refreshed one of my curls right here. It's looking juicy and perfect. So see, this one right here is a little fuzzed out. We're gonna fix that. The first thing we're gonna do, of course, is take the hydrating spray all over that curl. And you wanna really take care of your curls like every 3 days at the most. Every 3 days is important. A lot of people think boho styles are like no maintenance, but you have to take care of the human hair on it, girl. So see, that's already springing back into action. Then we're just gonna put a hold on it with the curl days. And literally just slide it on in there. Make sure it's nice and detangled. Boom. Look how juicy that looks now. Ooh, looks good. So y'all can see the difference from this one to this one right here. Y'all see the difference? This one's nice and juicy. This one's like frizzy. And then I'm gonna come back, do my edges, and show y'all the final look.